Hey!
Hi!
This is how we're starting our video. Let me just climb up there. Lucy made this secret spot.
It's very secret.
What does it consist of?
A trampoline and a big umbrella. That's it.
Yeah. Do you like it, Beck? Do you like it, Edka?
Yeah.
That's quite comforting. You got some beads, the whole thing.
Yes.
What?
The cat came and it left little paw prints.
Oh, the cat?
Yeah.
Let me see. Where's the paw prints? Aww.
This one's really obvious.
Oh, that's cute. I forgot to show them our glorious chandelier. Look at that. It looks nice up here. We should hang out here more often, huh? You want to make something out here?
Huh?
You want to make something?
What do you want to make?
I don't know. Well, I have to make cookies for Mom. We can't make them outside, so we'll go inside.
Yes.
So before my mom and dad leave, we're doing a going away present for them, which is these Momwood cookies. And if you want the recipe, it's on my mom's website, but I'll be telling you the ingredients anyways. So you'll need one stick of butter. It's been softened already. And with this, you're gonna mix 1/4 cup of sugar, but we don't have granulated sugar. So I'm gonna be using this powdered sugar. And just a little bit more than 1/4 cup. And you're gonna beat this until it's white and pale. So now I whip this, and you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour, and then a cup of semolina. And if you want, you can add the flavorings, the orange blossom and the rose blossom, and that will be about 2 tablespoons, 1 or 2 tablespoons. Just put it here, it's easier.
Your camera guy is here.
And I'm not gonna add a pinch of salt because this was salted butter. What's up? Yeah.
I got your job, Lucy. It's a very nice job.
Just add this in slowly.
Come, continue. I need to do something. Come hold it.
Already pre-separated this is 1 package of date paste. And now I'm just gonna be putting them into our molds. I'll show you. Remember these days? When Mom used to do the cooking videos on this channel? The good old days. I'm gonna get this started, and my mom promised she would come to help me. So
I can't hear you.
just gonna roll it like this a little bit. Put a thumb, and then put one of these.
I missed doing this.
I told them this was a going away gift.
Yeah, we're
for
going
your
away.
vacation.
1 day vacation.
Still,
Yeah.
you don't have to see us for a day. That's exciting.
That's very exciting.
Wow.
I'm kidding, Lucy. I love you.
Only her?
Don't you remember? Yeah, only Lucy.
Well, now my feelings are hurt.
They know me.
Also, that is at 350
Need how many minutes?
for 25 minutes. Golden brown.
Golden brown. But they don't get bigger or anything. They just stay almost the same.
Which is perfect because you could just put them next to each other. These go into the oven. I gotta hurry and say stuff before the airplane passes. This is going in for 25 minutes. Woohoo! There, go. You seem so threatening when I don't talk. I just come up to you with the camera. What are you doing?
Making a clay cat.
A cat?
Yes. Out of clay.
We should do clay things.
Making a cat. Maybe a cat with this. Maybe a cat with a scarf.
Oh, that'd be cute. So, let's see the view from here. I'm gonna sit where you are. Glorious view. You can see all the rocks on top of our roof. Oh yeah, I see.
Why is the broom there?
I have no idea. I'm looking through the camera right now.
It's like the.
Yeah, I see it. I see it now. There used to be more stuff up there, but then we cleaned it. These are all ready. Now I just have to put the powdered sugar over it.
It's called magic dust.
And these are for you guys. You and Papa. So you can have a snack on the way.
Thank you. We'll snack and remember you, our generous, beautiful daughter Lilyth. I was gonna say Lucy. We ran out of sugar.
Yeah, I can tell. And now Mom is trying one of my cookies.
You better be careful, Lilyth. If it's not good, I'm gonna cry. Cry hard. This is the best part, when it's thin and it's a lot of date inside, and it's flaky, like crumbly.
It's good?
Very good. I miss these cookies.
Yeah?
You should make this with coconut butter, the vegan version. You'll love it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be even better and lighter, I think.
Well, it could be. I'll try that.
Try. Maybe not lighter, because coconut oil is...
It's still heavy, but it's not as heavy as butter.
Butter sometimes is really good. It's so much better. Like, I mean, you can taste something that you used to taste, you know?
Yeah.
Coconut sometimes bothers the taste.
But it's good.
It's really good. I'm gonna make some tea. You want some tea?
Sure.
You'll sit and watch how I eat your delicious cookies.
Does Papa like these?
Yeah, Papa like everything that's sweet. Papa likes it, so don't worry. Thank you, Argus. It's really good. They're so quiet now.
It's because they're watching TV.
They're tired. They just came back from hockey.
Yeah. You're sweet boys. Let me see them. Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
Hold on. Look at your little mustache. You have a mustache from the bone cheek.
No, I have a mustache.
Let me see. Now move your hand. Still there. And now we're bored, so we're gonna paint. Paint? Sculpt. Sorry.
Sculpting is fun.
Let's see. We have a lot in here. Is this the first one I bought? Because I bought 2 of them.
The other one you threw away because it was all hard.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You could have just put water on it and it'd be fixed.
Really?
Yeah.
But it was so dry and nasty. Anyways, you'll see it sped up. What should I make? It's a difficult question.
Do we have to show what we make after?
Yes! It looks like a fly.
It's good word. Oh my god, that's so ugly, that's so ugly. Ah! Delete it.
No, I'm gonna keep it. This is what I made.
Beautiful.
I'm just doing this.
It's beautiful.
I think I did it.
Comment below who do you think did the best. Comment Lucine because I did the best.
Like for Lucy, comment for Lily.
Yeah, make sure to give the video lots of likes.
That
No, like-
goes without
like-
saying.
And a like for Lucy, like for Lucy, dislike for Lucy. No, just kidding, don't do that.
Vlog. Yay, fun.
We're gonna go dry Paula.
Wow. in the crisp air.
Oh, it's so dark and scary. Oh, it looks horrible.
Wait, stay there. I want to turn on the light.
Okay. Oh. It doesn't look good. Thank you.
I'm gonna keep it simple today, and I'm just gonna have some sweet potato. And my mom and dad are having ravioli, so it's gonna be a family dinner. Luce, do you want anything?
No.
Potato? Okay. Well, I guess this is all for me then. On the subject of dinner, my mom and dad are having this, and I told Lucy that we had these with cheese and mozzarella, and she wants to try some.
I love cheese.
As you can tell from, last time's video, she loves cheese.
I love cheese, I love pizza, and I love spicy hot cheese.
What if you put hot chips on this?
Very good.
Do you want me to make you these? Yes. How many?
3.
3?
Yes.
Okay. On my way. And now it's time to set the table. So you'll see me in a second. Sped up. Hey, okay.
Hey.
You're gonna hate me, but
No,
I have
will always
to.
love you.
Just a little bit on the side.
You can do anything and everything you prefer. No
I
one
know.
will ever hate you. You're like the most lovable person
That's true.
on this planet.
Ooh. There.
And this was so delicious. I took a bite.
I know I caught it on
Take
film. I'm gonna zoom in right on you
Okay.
during the
thank
slow
you.
motion. I mean the fast motion.
So good, Lil.
That's good?
When you mix both of them together.
I know that's the best way to eat it.
Ketchup and this, what was it?
Barbecue sauce.
and ketchup. Oh.
So good.
Okay, this is Lucin's ravioli, and me and Papa are having this ravioli to just finish it up. Okay, Aram, patrasta. Quick dinner.
Yep. And a quick goodbye to you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I don't know, thank you very much for watching. It makes me happy making these videos, especially when I'm with Lucine, because it's funny. I get to catch like funny little things on camera, and they're for you guys to enjoy too. So thank you.
You're very welcome. We'll enjoy your videos. I'll subscribe, like,
you.
and leave a comment. I love
Yep.
you, Lilyth.
Love you too.